My name is already a footprint and a fingerprint in social media. It doesn't matter whether you like it or not. The queen, the name is there already. It doesn't matter how you take her, come on. It's already there. So it will not take long. Even if whatever. As far as that name is mentioned. Oh! You know the content creators to go for my rest. Ah, Grega! You know the content creator. Even when I was saying it, people did not believe me. When I told you that they had a meeting and JPAC started paying them, I just remember wedding, no problem. Bid up war upon his lost son, the first money up for 500K. Borrow top, oh, that useless idiot now, when I got just name one system, I get pattern at the game. Borrow the useless top, oh, near 500,000. Remember, me abro wagra. Not near push one yan, that useless wagra. That's what I'm coming tomorrow. Make una relax. I want to know, okay, you know, oh. I don't need a content creator. I will destroy all of you. If I don't do them, when I go talk, when I collect money, they talk rubbish. What should I know, Sabi? All of you wait up money, no go see peace. What I go? In my way, I don't want to be DF. I told me again, may deviate here from the main target. Which JPAC is fighting everything means to make sure I'm gonna happier. Not lie. And when anything no make out, when me a security, I put up way in there, and then many after him tomorrow. Oh God, they call cool. Wagra, Ablamunu. Totaramu that video that get lumina or minima. And the minima will not be the first person. This is how useless they are. Like when Okongu infection on a hebu. Onye na boy infection, a kidnapper, he could not go and reach to. Let idiots see them. Punch of idiot. Okongu the key hega amuta. Chede make the major Jordan voice notation. Akwaga Bamu Gana go. Every infection abugagi. Kimamu akine amu akike na koro your own 500,000. Dara yono. You can't even talk. Who did they give work? Eh? Who did they give work? Imagine when you're abam. You're not the keep it with the mono. You don't want to mad though. Una demand. So, J-Pipe, every means, which are day, maybe she make petty. So many distractions. But I want to walkie bigger. The man want to first got the men, those incompetent men, because I feel that they are men. No woman should challenge them. That is why when in Perekoman you will think people they are just but you know walking that feeling that they own women, you can't talk to them because they are men. No, I create this on a content to the entire life. I get create content on Malaysia and all there. Challenge we go film. Tomorrow I'm off. Thursday I'm off. Oh God, the hot. You want to go? So J-Pipe, if you like, be a go bru urega one ga ko tula. Now what? That's so shower they take do now. Our shower, so I get put a guy and after all, I'm a club. What's it called? Sign me. After all, I'm a club. So if you would ask about me, I go to that. It's a thing. See, I can understand my saga. My saga are bad. My saga, I can understand it. All these things you're playing, I can see. Not feeling. Sometimes in my video, I go to watch them. I can be relating to what you're passing through. Why haven't you sat down and think about, say, why is it that I now look Ogechi? You have to be in group. You don't get the group with him. So I can understand your predicaments. Also, like a para where it cannot stop the pain you're passing through. Look at the pain. You go inside, you get such a help. You keep fetching for Iba Beba. You could even about an boss. See what I can understand. Or do easy to stand me. Or they're easy. Trust me. Trust me. Not easy. So I watch them he mega. He bega pega wine ga coach. He bega she's a local local shower. It's a local shower. It's normal thing. You want to go? I can relate to your pain. All the painful. You want to go? That MC hallelujah. You come ga reply again. Tomorrow I go reply you. It's not today. Na police jemakwa no. Police become nanya na moto. Now tomorrow me go reply you. Trust me. You want to go? My little kingdom has beginning to torment all of you. And when hemu no zaga, Zion no they pay me. Just say natural love it can matter my importance the day Ngapu here. Man, I'm gonna join you and do me now. It can matter how hard, how bad they want me. I got target kaji. I got target kaji. If you don't know what I'm standing to prevent, don't worry. Tomorrow you will understand. And that this my little kingdom has beginning to torment people like you. You want to go? That thing where you define figure, look, you get what they are come. You want to go? Like I said, we do brutal saga. Baga ube now because I got my papa here tomorrow. That I got my dog putaga pump around but ube now because J-Pack is looking for everything to take this pain away from him. But Ogechi can get make address. Mechaga address. I'm a koprogi Thomas video for the next time because I'm gonna for you. I will come for you. Yes, I will. I got my beer for you. Because I know that he want every right to look for my number to call me. Okay? You want any right whatsoever to come to add my name to your stupidity. You what I'm saying? It's not like you don't know him again. It's already proof. It's already proof to some people that we are telling you to tell Ogechi to stay away from Zion. You want to prove that you are the best? You know that thing you're looking for, you get what they are come. I know snack, I just respect na daddy. But I I'm a stupid yet small. So nobody should come and say, okay, leave her. No, because yesterday I called Ako. Ako called you. Why one as of now, he can't want to go to the heat inside it. You know what I'm going to heat? You know I'm going to what you're facing through as I'm standing now. I will add to your pain. Keep it on him. If I don't make you lose that position, Zion, it can matter my power. You will understand me. It can matter what I stand for. Each and nobody one thinks it's everybody that you come. Oh, you go feel them. Don't worry. After J-Pack, I will return to your matter. But I told him. J-Pack when it's all this thing on our course, so I not go leave him. I not go leave him. The lie, I not go leave him. You want to go? I can get small tomorrow. My PGM will get small. Happens yegi. First is I don't even care what about like the video that the kingdom is rising again because you knew all these things. You started your uselessness. Okay? If you ever come to my platform again, in fact, have you guys done a little bit of what? All because of me. Kadadiji went to peace in this blue app today. Where were you? when Udela was planning if Mega Henine. Where we are all of you. Now, you didn't know what brought that video? Imagine put that video. I could put a small video. And you knew again when the audacity to mention my name. So you can address me in public, but you cannot look for my you did not look for my number. That put a baby mattress in if I'm accent. Who the fuck are you? I even address you peacefully. Calmly. Shiga will not be this calm. Yes, after you came out to say, who are you when I would not want you? You are very hopeless man. It is very useful to tell them tomorrow. Near my local saga unit. Jem Campion, internet, Campegia, Chinakabogo, Kun. You want ye? Who are you? Onya won neck on your monkey. Did you remember in a mattress? You want ye? This is the up with opposition there. Oneke. Oh, Kagini me. And you didn't get the pot, catch the pot. Eh? Tita? Tell him tomorrow. You don't go like me. Nobody should. I'll get what I'm mashing. Okay, no problem. Me no muche. Because I respected you. So, Iman, why did you mention my name in the first place? Oh, useless, confused Igbo man. Imami Weibo, Imami Bish. Chileke Bokwakoku. Chileke Bokwakoku. Ibabi Watermono. You know Watermono, so who are you? Man Jishan Brogo everywhere Ogechi. Why do you think J-Pack cannot even stand? Now J-Pack planned to come and tell the whole world that he had to poison these people. That was why this second saga started. It's not a plan China had to come and start war everywhere. What Udela? Gabi with the phone, you won't. This monsters. Can you stand all these devourers? Them shall stand there. You wonyara. Thunder will produce set of brain. Ibabi use page to address it unegi. Ibabi monsters and beasts that advice where I'm tiga there. Get what she can name up with, but turn the bob walk it here. Hold on, check I'm paying you. This place is not for you. Hold on. Let me block your destiny. Oh yeah, Otilo. Shinga phone. Ofeke negi. Idiots. Somebody you will mess with. Let me turn my AC. Oh, AC and pneumonia now. That's why I don't like turning it on. Na AC anyamanga igenwe cold. Ma mo kan do charge na AC motor. Look at no I show get my warning him. Oh, in fact, no, it's not even gonna be warning again. It's not gonna be warning again. I know I'm on to him my team. without minding whether you exist. You are among these people. You are pretending of what you're getting from them. And I'm not collecting go from anybody. I do what I do because I know who these people are. I know who they are. I know how can they destroy people's reputation on social media. What can you do? What have you done? Can you defend the bitch? Idiots. Idiots. What do you No, wait for me tomorrow. Just relax tomorrow. You go feel them. When I will sit down, to the test of your time. Idiots. Foolish idiots. When I go to a position. You belong in the Zion America their group. Did you ever see me? They said I'm a member of Zion here. Group. What I do it out of love. Because you guys don't know how to present love. I made that video if I'm in a position, if anything enter problem that Ebukobi cannot save, that I will do it. Yes, love is unconditionally. I don't fake anything in my life. I'm a very practical being. I said it. Yeah, cooperate that part. You didn't see that part. The same time, I made that back up with that video. The same time I made that video. You did not see that one. Idiots. Can you get a key name? Get a key name? Get a key name on social media. Idiots. And destroy that it's a video about a view. That's all you guys can do. Dala. I'm working in public open warning. Ibari publicly address. Did you say you be who? That each in America, but I can get deported. Gabana from rubbish English. Idiots. And when he came and I get so he begin to hear war doctor, war nurses, one tawimo. Idiots. No, dear me, oh. No, dear me. What kind of rubbish is that? And I put a video and are you crazy? No, about him now your platform. Ask each but now my phone number, you can't search for it. You can't fuck it, but you can see my video. You can see the video. You bloody motherfucker. You don't know, you don't know how to reach me? Why would you fucking address me in public? While the addressing is coming from somebody that defends Zion. Yeah. No start, oh. No start, oh. No start. You are very hopeless. You are a very useless man. You are very useless. It is very, very hopeless. Onye me pon ne kuka until here make amana their brain, their IQ is very poor. Make una go one more. I don't want them to say I make una go one more. A body daft. You don't have common sense. You don't use your brain. You only use your dick to put inside pussy and call it get buru katonishi mama hine. Are you not? If your brain not the function, can't you see? You son of a bastard! In a beam my address in public. The funny part, the so-called idiot to copy it and be posting it under my comments. I didn't even know you made the video about me. Because this is what they are waiting for. They know they couldn't penetrate me. They know how more about for them. They know I'm choking them here. I am that thing you can never break. No matter how many unute. I'm ready to stand it. I believe was no one no man cuckoo. No one not see him not too. No one got to him not too. The higher GC. Me tongue the bob walk it here. Everyone who come on think on faculty. Every your brain does not fucking work. Could you imagine an insult? From me. Tomorrow you will get to hear from me. And if you don't take your time, keep fucking with me. Keep fucking with me. Idiot, you want to come and open mouth to address? Did you who the fuck are you? Social media there. Anybody where insult me on social media go come give it to you water. Nobody should come inside and be telling okay, don't worry because of that. I know they hear that part. Come on, Shinga for blood pressure. Come on, get out of here. Oh yeah, fuck off from my page. Blood pressure. Ndala. Bunch of idiots. I remember my case here coming. Gabi kwapi yono. I will the brain engine behind social media dika we ezugo. Rubbish there. You don't reason when you talk. I don't see no brain. All because of you support Zion. Or because of his support, you talk carelessly. Idiots. Come on, fuck off my face. Ke happy collect him do it J Park. I know here. But a distraction. But a distraction in the midst is come and celebrate. You knew that video was a past video. Why even including my name in that mess? You want yara? And I bought the MC Pashoko, and I bought the MC brainless bastard. I disfigure by your brain that doesn't work. In a bay with Tremono. Get you one Maburu. Whoa! Hold on. Before you go pity my husband, I go pity that your useless father that gave back to you. Oh yeah? Fuck off! Shinga for his son. Stupid, useless idiots. Bunch of foolish things. Pascal Chema, if you comment rubbish again, my block will go. I'm not here for that on rubbish go. My block will go. If you comment rubbish again, I'll block your existence. My God, but I'm going to be susu. There's something that will bend down. You can't bend down. Abulam. Shinga phone on my page, you. Na lekwa no me shisho. Lekwa no me na shisho. That wouldn't the attack is coming from other end, Mashoke after all. Yeah, it's coming from other direction. Could you imagine? Don't worry, you will not like me tomorrow. No, but the man about J Park. But I give me a pinch your matter. Face J because some of me hate J Park choga. You know go get them. I'm gonna get a position on Patonia Megagani. Some girls. Have you ever seen me in any Zion crown? They got a church here. Because I know when I get feeling that Ogechi, I'm taking man, no, and defend what I love genuinely. Defend what I love genuinely. No, so no position in Zion. And when I build on Zion branch, I should not get you belong to here. I do my thing to stay away from because I'm an ihog but then I'm jealous. Okay, I am block you. Go fuck off. Go and take care of your own family problem. Don't worry about my own family. Go and take care of your useless family that you couldn't take care of. Don't worry about my own family. Do now all this kind of woman will not problem. That woman you guys cannot surprise. Yes, demona me. As far as I go become the defending, my husband they love it to the core. So can you see aware now? You useless, hopeless man that want to come and comment. You want to know? As far as Nadim love it. So you are not party. Go and control your any one or one that cannot speak. My husband love what I do. Yeah, so deal with it. If you don't like it, go and take care of those slaves or your sisters and your wife if you ever marry anyone anywhere. Go see and control it. You can't control me, idiot. Dala. Bunch of idiots that couldn't handle their family problem. And I better my own to find out. Does it mean that they find out? Come on, fuck off. It has to be a family problem that is dealing with you. Because you guys could not suppress pain. All your propagandas, all your lies. Oh, Paya Jirepoya, oh, Paya Brian, oh, get to the Braquan and Camere, I get to the Braquan and Paya Brian with no evidence, just to talk rubbish. You guys cannot use all these lies to subdue me. Dala, if I ever one day today support to Bataya stand on down all this hate now will reverse. How many people are defending Ebukobi? How many people? You guys will understand my impact. Don't worry. Don't worry. Did them decide, Rishi? I don't do this thing again. I just mind my business. They do. You will understand that I'm agenda and all. But it matter that I'm their problem. Why they cannot move muzzle? But it matter my importance. Okay? Anything I'm deciding. I don't mind my business. I'm not talking. Even you're talking good, you're talking bad, I don't want to get involved. I'll be doing my thing. Focus! By then, Kega Matan, important Ogechi. That day Kega Mata, no more about the Tabashina Honzo, that they cannot move a muzzle. Don't worry, keep poking the Tibuna against anything in Azai. Keep poking me. But call her feeling intimidated. He feel that they want to hang in the hands. And when that they want any Americans are on branch or no Ogechi on their group. Or that they want to Ogechi. Oh, she they come our Zion ground. Have you ever seen me there? I do my thing on my one-man squad. I know I'm on women. That day, Tiga Mata, even you that cannot even talk, you that are one who the common sense, you that cannot even open your mouth and talk, Kamuki shall be standing in the midst of all these devourers. Let me see how you can stand J-Pipe that planned all the evil. Plan a get bitoni share because this time. If it's not this set pack bananishi. Aya. F off. Otila. Yeah? Okay? You want to go? That day Kigamata. The importance of Ogechi. Don't worry. Keep uselessing your hopeless life. Idiots. Ibranga for purpose. Am I dragging any position with you? Favor found me. Stay there. They cry. They do what they do. Me and you, we are not in the same anyanas or anything. Police happen now. My guys trying to become police no. I'm turning here upside down. I want to fail because. No, from one day. Now, thank God I don't even run too much late. You know, yesterday, mini zero. So, I'm on 11 minutes late. Don't worry. Uzochukwu David, after this program, I'm going to block again. You that is clicking mad face on a good comment, I would definitely block you out of this page. So many zero yesterday, right? So I ran late. And the couples with him again video. They call me. Hello?
Hello?
Then I got Patrick. Hey. Hey. Hold on, can I block this video? Okay. Papa, check another account to block. Oh yeah, wait. Another here block. Oh yeah, check. Idiot that clicking mad face on my page, on my people's comment. Check. Just give me a minute, let me block them. Given that plan in email because BJ Park is siga. Yeah, chineke. Okay, chat up the lama wow. Hey, Chema block all the idiots. Hold on, let me block the annoyer. They can block all. They have blocked the idiots. They have blocked him. Far block again. A block ole. He's out of this place. Who is this one? No, who is the request? I'm a kokora for onyem. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Okay. Oh, the Katisika TV.
Okay, ndewo.
Yeah, can I?
Ọ dị mma.
Lapo no first one. Ibu na megu. All mistake ome. Lapo no ma lapo. Ibu ita na ata.
No. It's not a mistake because I could reach out to him yesterday. It wasn't a mistake. It wasn't a mistake. The second video shouldn't have been done. It was not a mistake. It wasn't a mistake. It's an intentional act. It was not a mistake. No. It wasn't a mistake. When I be painting here like that, it was not a mistake. As I'm talking to you, it's under scrutiny, but it was not a mistake. Okay? On my phone, man.
Emana. O kwesịrị ịma na ihe a niile ị na-eme ọ bụrụ J-Park family niile apụta but nke a na family enweghị chọrọ ịpụta because ndị otu ndị bloggers ndị otu niile ọ bụrụ na onye butere this case na ha chọrọ na-agbapụtasị na-ataghachi ọnụ na-epost but nke a na everybody just keep silent. You understand? So anyị nwa na-apụtakwa for Gunwa. We cannot come and leave him behind. You understand?
Mama me this time suchiri bu keke ya o. Ama me brain ya sharon o. Owa bi hana so okebe ba ha. Ahunya na agbo ya first son na Isaiah first son ya deka. Owa Isaiah problem. I know una. He's a Isaiah first problem. That is who he is now.
Because from the video, I'm surprised by Yama Kuruki. I'm very surprised.
Which kind of insult is this? Oh, Isaiah first problem. That is what he is.
I'm very surprised. So let me say, God people not just so. One no money for fun. One no money for just in what they engage. I don't know. Now my image you made the video. You understand?
No problem, my brother. I don't know me people.
Because God be educa because we get over that Joe. Just
No, thank you.
because I like it. For I'm not J-Park this saga, but the year now all his fans, all his ndote the bloggers ndote na support here. Na brain is so I don't know why Yama could see because now even if the could kill what was like after everything. After everything,
I don't even know. I mean, I know as only check where to capture me. I'm also protect mesh. Oh, check no ya check it. You want him to force to reply ya mpaka kam chicho without people calling me in our old video. It could have been another way now.
because I'm from the same Simban. I'm on first one of mom. Maybe not today himself. Not for today. I'm on my mom. Look, I'll be down for this kind of critical time. Yeah, name. What's the that kind of video? But as you said, no, yeah, whole video is the whole video. You understand? So it was the Makayanwa. There maybe way your name and your in the book the line and you go on too. So
That move, bro. Because my brother, thank you. I'm gonna give you later. Thank you.
so bad.
Thank you. That my sister because I call her. People shine your motor. Now, guys, I can leave on. We go see later. I don't reach work. I don't know. Nah, Royal song. I never see you. I never see you. Now, guys, today we're doing the clock and I'll be back. Let me go and clock in. I'll be right back. Na clock alarm in. Come on, I'm going to take this small. When the request from Tadiga. Guys, no, wake up. Pagodi no, so no. Tomorrow, no, I'll cheer him. Get back, guy, you cannot shy away. I know you're working so hard. You're working so hard. Try. And I'm missing. Nigga, bomb, I can arrow. Biko no, and my video home, and I'm no mere video. No, bomb, I can arrow. I should know mere video. No, got them no nyuku. No nyuku. It's no nyuku. Nyuku boss. Oh, nyuku. I should not got them na nko nyuku. Hey, now I got them na nko nyuku. So, please, can I have your WhatsApp number? Yeah, why not? My WhatsApp number, like, I'm with from US, so my actually medical school. When a master's, I was able to become a doctor. Already 27 years, I got the only Ibani. More for matchmaking. Then, don't worry. Benga hapuruni here. Don't how hard you guys will stand to defend the Bukobi. Don't worry. Very soon, I will just disappear continue what I'm doing. Oh, Chineke God. Well, actually, man, actually, I am. Nah. Gini wete gini egbu wete gini egbu. Oh, naanị maka dadi. Ewepụ ya. The love that man nwere ebe m nọ. That's the only reason why, you know. Ya dịka just maka dadi. Ewepụ ya. Ma hapụrụ gị ọgụ a ka ịlụgodi ya half. Ka ife ịlụgodi ya. Ịghọtago? Ka ife ịlụgodi ya. Ọkpọ ọnụ gị dịka ụkwụ ọkụkọ agrik. A ga-azọli DJ face nde divora. This monsters. Ọkpọ ụkwụ gị dịka ọkụkọ agrik. Aka ha aka. DJ face nda. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. Don't worry. You got this rubbish in. You got cause again at that place. And I was like, go and mark my words. You got the calamity. You got cause again. You got saying I'm not Ogechi like this. Don't worry. You never they feel them. You put the feelings. Okay. In a feel you now. That lady, hey, she called. Let me call her back. But I won't tell them. I should some guess. I told me who that trauma on my platform again. I told me who that this less idiot on my platform again. Hello?
Please leave your message for.
Oh, this lady called me if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Told me who that hopeless thing on my platform again. Yanwa kwala. No, yeah, no, the lady. She's the one that called me, you know. So why is she not picking up her calls? You need my number now. Who needs my number? My number is +312 912 4384. My daughter is looking for a serious-minded, matured man, age 30 to 28. She is 28 years old.
Please leave your message for.
She is 28 years old. The man should be from the great Anambra. She is currently living in Maryland. She has her master's in medical field. She wants to process to a great level of becoming a medical doctor. Hey, I wish I wouldn't want to the single. Hey, I wish I get one okay, we be single. Okay, we'll catch job. Look at this baby, very fine. Tomorrow, come get me the water. So, hey, now the baby very bad. Still 28 years old. Okay, we'll catch. Okay, we'll catch. Okay. My way Anambra, I wouldn't Anambra. Fashion natural from Great Anambra, no other area. The lady she be become na match and where up. I'm becoming my son back and nature them. Madam Rugged you. And actually guys so I'm up but I will make a request for her. Very fine girl. 27 NMP go but actually he goes a medical doctor match. Anyway. Animal, the medical doctor, Yama. Anyway, guys, see you later. So, come get